Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Research and Analysis. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to convert PDF documents into Microsoft Word format. Although this is simple, that there are many web-based applications that you can use to convert PDFs into Microsoft Word documents. But the real problem is when you have a complicated PDF and you want to convert that into Microsoft Word format, the things become disturbed. And the formatting that you are looking for, or you can say the actual formatting of the PDF become disturbed. But the tool that I am going to share is pretty perfect, and this is one of the best tool I have ever used to convert my PDFs into Microsoft Word documents. For instance, I am going to convert this PDF into Microsoft Word format, and I'm particularly interested in this diagram, or you can say the research model, because I want to use the same formatting in one of my thesis or article, and I want this particular diagram in the same format so that I can just simply, after having little bit modification, I can use it for my own article, right? This is a standard Acrobat PDF reader, but it does not allow you to convert the documents into Microsoft Word format. Let's just open this PDF with a specific PDF reader, which is known as PDF Gear. I will share the complete video about it, how to download and how to install a PDF Gear. By the way, it is completely free, and there is no subscription fee that you need to download or install this particular software. Now the document has been opened in PDF Gear. From here, just simply click Chat Now. Now you can see there are many options, including summarize this PDF, but I am specifically interested in convert this PDF to Word format. Simply click this one, and then yes. It is asking me where should I save the Microsoft Word format. I can simply select the location. So I have selected the location where I want to save the new document. Then simply I will need to click convert. You can see document is converting. So it has opened the location where I have saved this document. Let's just open it. Now I can make any change wherever I want. For example, if I want to change it, like in place of job satisfaction, let me write job engagement. In the same way, the thing which I was interested more is the diagram. Let's have a look if I can make any change in that diagram. Yeah, it works. I can make the changes in the formatting. This is how I can use the same diagram in my article or research thesis. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.